Hi, this is Tina from OSnapLet'sEat.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make garlic soy sauce chicken. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 pounds of bone-in chicken leg quarters, ½ cup of thick soy sauce, also known as soy paste, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of garlic, roughly chopped, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Using a knife, make vertical cuts about 1 to 2 inch apart throughout the leg quarters. This will help it 1. Marinate, and 2. Cook the chicken thoroughly. In a large mixing bowl or Ziploc bag, add chicken, soy sauce, brown sugar, and chopped garlic. Coat the chicken well with the mixture and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight in the refrigerator. Heat the oil in a cooking pan on medium-high heat for about ½ a minute or until it heats up. Add chicken and marinade into the cooking pan and pan fry for about 7 minutes. Then flip the chicken over to cook the other side. Pan fry for another 5 minutes or until chicken is cooked thoroughly. If you find that it's taking a while to cook, then you can also cover it for a couple of minutes. Remove chicken from heat and drizzle remaining sauce on chicken leg quarters and serve. And that is how you make garlic soy sauce chicken. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.